Pallavi. So, yes, let's see who all have joined today. 4,000 people. Great. Dr. Arun, namaste. Hi, Solanki. So, it's a really nice topic today. We're going to talk about the art of flirting, right? Hi, Dr. Manoj. And I think it's the most healthy interaction that is bordering on, some kind of sexual, sexuality basically of our sexuality, and yet it is very healthy. So I think for those people who are actually thinking of, okay, it also kills boredom, flirting, and without even harming your existing relationship. So that is, most of us are in exclusive relationships, monogamous relationships, and then at the same time we have this, urge to try out new things even intimately. तो ये flirting बहुत अच्छा तरीका है to even start off. Okay, so because see, ultimately we do need connections. We do need a lot of connections to feel good in ourselves. So if someone is like complimenting us, we feel good, right? So ये ऐसी चीज़ है कि हाँ, लेकिन हम बहुत ज़्यादा scared भी होते हैं. We are skeptical, especially post Me Too. I have heard a lot of men are not too comfortable even approaching a woman. So that is something that I will also talk about, ki post Me Too, how to have a right flirting, right? So namaste Mahesh, hi Yogesh, hi Surya, hi Rupi, namaste Shridang. So guys, this is a very interesting topic today. We are going to start, and yes, so let me first, even before we begin the session, let's first understand why why flirting is, why people flirt, why people should flirt, why someone should flirt. So see, flirting, there could be a lot of reasons people want to flirt, and not all of them are sexual reasons. I mean, we think that okay, it's about getting sex, but no, it's not always getting sex. In fact, most of the times it's not even about sex, but it is something definitely as interesting as sex. So, one reason people would flirt is because of relational reasons. Relational reason का मतलब होता है कि to build closeness, to bring closeness. Okay, so they want to change a friendship, to a more serious dating relationship. So flirting could be uh, the stepping stone for dating. So you are friends with someone, okay, and there are a lot of friends around us, so it's not that we have just one friend, but we feel attracted to someone. So are we going to just start and ask, okay, will you come with me for a date, or that feels like we are getting serious about the person. So flirting is a way to get close to that person, and it's like between friendship and between intimate relationship, that something in between is flirting, right? So you can actually start having light humor, slight appreciation, looking in the eye, locking eyes, and then moving away. So छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो होती हैं, जो बेसिकली फ्लर्टिंग में होती हैं. Okay, so these are some of the things, like you appreciate the person, okay, and maybe you appreciate in the sense that you want to keep it mystery, like today you are looking like, and the person does, how am I looking? So how am I looking? And then you don't even tell further. You keep them, guessing. You keep them guessing. That's what is flirting. So it's like, okay, matchstick dekha hai na, so you just do this, you rub this, but the fire is not, like there is no fire actually, but there is this little spark. So that is what is flirting. Flirting is not all out fire. It's something before the fire, that lighter spark, that light flicker of the candle, but not the whole fire. Okay, but it has the potential to go into all fire. That's how I put flirting as. This is the first reason, is like, when you want to change the friendship from like proper friendship to just more serious relationship. That's the flirting. Like, okay, how do you start? How do you even ask the person that I am interested in you? ठीक है, तो कैसे आप बोल सकते हो कि आई एम इंटरेस्टेड, यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट स्लाइड फॉर फ्लर्टिंग एंड आई विल एक्चुअली गिव यू द रियल एग्जांपल्स ऑफ हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली डू फ्लर्टिंग basis my experience basis some of the things that you can actually follow. Then flirting is also about exploration. Exploration का मतलब होता है कि you just want to explore different people, and it's all about gauging their interest, so whether they are interested in exploring. Like, okay, you are not sure if the other person is liking you or not, so you flirt with them. If you don't get a response, then understand that they are not interested in you. If you do get, then you go ahead. Okay, so it is also to explore if the person is interested in you, right? You see that, okay, the person takes, like, they take a step back, because flirting is very healthy, so you are it is unlikely to get a scolding कि मतलब आप ऐसा behave करो, because it's very very light, I mean someone could not even gauge that you are flirting. तो ये एक तरीका होता है कि just to explore what the other person is thinking about you, can just flirt and you can see how's their response. Okay, then that's the second reason कि why people flirt. Third reason is they are driven by fun motivations. People flirt because they are driven by fun motivations. It's just playful. कि flirting जो होता है बहुत playful होता है. Like I tell you, I will keep on adding incidents of flirting. So I went with my friend and we were having a soup. So I ordered a soup and we both ordered different soups. And my soup was very bland, tasteless था, बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं क्या था. And his soup was spicy. So I was looking at his soup and then he found me looking at it. So I said, okay, can I have some soup? And then I had a spoonful of soup and I kept on having. So ultimately he actually changed the bowl. तो वो एक छोटा सा flirting था कि I'm interested in his meal, and you can actually say that, okay, if you are interested in the meal of the other person, maybe you are interested in them also. तो वो बहुत ही indirect होता है flirting. Okay, you don't say that, okay, I'm going to flirt with you today, okay, or let's flirt. It's not even said, it is understood. Okay, and it's very light. That is why, like, you can't just go all out and say this, you have to just make it feel and disappear. तो एक ऐसा होता है जैसे, like I said that, I looked at his soup and it was very different kind of look, like, I was like, actually my eyes were going very very much glinting. तो बहुत glint था एक eye में when I was looking at the soup. And even I used to have like long walks with my friends, male friends I am particularly interested in, not all. And then there is a car coming on the road and I just like went on his side and my shoulders lightly brushed his shoulder. तो एक शोल्डर से शोल्डर का हल्का सा ब्रश हुआ because I had to step aside. I mean, the car was just a reason. I just actually wanted to brush my shoulders with him, so I actually went very very close to him. So it was a very light brush. Okay, there is no such sexual and kiss and hugging or anything. It was just a light brush of shoulder, and that is what is flirting. Like very very light, soft body contact, very light body contact, and preferably, as it's assumably for a reason, but it's actually the reason is flirting. Okay, so you have to see boundaries are very important in flirting. Like you would be showing, so there is no hard stick formula of what a flirting should be, but one thing I would say is playful. It's very playful, so it's not like insulting someone. It has to be very playful. And okay, great, so the scores have come. Congratulations all of you for getting a lot of scores. 50 scores, 50. I always see 50s and I'm so happy that people are able to make know all the answers basically, right? So that's what so let's come back to the topic. So we are talking about the art of flirting. So before that we should understand that why people flirt. Okay, so like I said that flirting is all about exploration, getting closer without even making the other person feel bad. So it has to be really, really light. It has to be really light, and boundaries need to be respected. I mean, you cannot just infringe into someone's space. Lot of it comes from verbal contact, eye contact, body language. So these are few of the things that where flirting can come. Then see, you also can do it for some instrumental reasons, like to achieve a goal. Basically, you want to do someone a favor, like okay, you want to do someone a favor, and you want someone to actually do you a favor. So instrumental reasons hota hai, like you make the other person feel good by flirting. Okay, and then great relief. That's amazing. That's really amazing. तो जैसे मैंने बताया कि एक्सप्लोरेशन रीज़न होता है, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल रीज़न होता है कि लाइक यू आल्सो वांट टू गेट योर वर्क डन. ओके, सो I have actually seen a lot of this happening in workplace, because I have always said that flirting is very healthy, it's consensual, and it doesn't infringe on the private space of a person unless he's like very no flirt. Because it's very playful in nature, very playful. I will not even use like game. It's not game, it's playfulness. And playfulness is different than game. Like you have those violent games, video games, they are like violent and action and there's a lot of sound. तो वो चीज़ नहीं होता है. It is very playful. So light होता है, light banter होता है, हंसी मजाक होता है, छेड़छाड़ होती है, and that too is very light level. Like the person would not even feel bad, because you make the person feel good. Basically it's all about complimenting them. तो जैसे even flirting can be used to get favors. Okay, so you want someone to help you out with something and you can just flirt. Okay, and that also makes the other person feel good, like it's happy kind of feeling. तो flirting ये होता है. Then one more reason people flirt is to boost up their self-esteem. Okay, like you feel, oh god, I can flirt with anyone. Okay, or this person is flirting with me. So it actually adds up to the confidence that, oh, I am desirable, or I can desire someone. It's not that I'm not social. So people who flirt boost their self-esteem by saying that they are highly social people, they are highly outspoken people, they are highly confident people. People who get flirted boost their self-confidence by knowing that they're desirable, knowing that someone is desiring them, knowing that someone is desiring them while respecting their boundaries. Okay, so maybe if someone is saying that, okay, come to my hotel, I really like you, that's not flirting. That's not at all flirting. Someone would say that, okay, let's go for a nice dinner today, and I have chosen this place and it has like really wonderful champagne and light, candlelight, and the music is amazing. So that's a step towards flirting, because all he's asking is for a nice meal. Okay, and maybe when you are about to sit, so he just pushes the chair so that you can sit, and he just gives a nice smile. Okay, and maybe do this, so winking, slight winking, not even like it's like this. I mean, I'm just trying big winking, but it has to be like really like squeezing the eyes slightly, that are you comfortable, are you good, are you feeling nice here, or maybe making the facial gestures. So that is what it makes the person feel comfortable, be it a man or a woman, maybe more in case of a woman. So self-esteem is definitely one of the reasons people flirt. For me, I think if I say why I would flirt is because again, all the reasons. I think I may want to get my work done. Okay, or I want to build closeness with the person. I think getting work done is not as much, maybe very slight, very slight, like even like doing this is like okay. So it's called lady charm basically. So ये चीज़ें देखी है मैंने at workplace also, some in some of the workplaces. Unfortunately, that is something that I would not recommend when you start compromising on your performance by flirting. See, understand that flirting is eventually it is about the relationship between two people, and relationship doesn't mean that okay, it has to be all serious relationship. It is a bonding, but when it comes to getting favors, it should not come at the cost of performance. So definitely work, because we are still like the female employment is still in a minority. A lot of women actually some women, I won't say a lot of women, but some women I've seen that they get favors like on-site assignments, promotions by the proximity to the male supervisor. And I think that is very unhealthy for workplace. So please, if you see something, then you should actually tell that no, flirting can be outside workplace. I mean, it should not be a part of the office environment. Certainly, I mean, that is where you create the boundaries around flirting. That are you going to flirt in the cubicle, office cubicle, in the meeting room? I think that's something that we should avoid doing from. We have social places, and plus we should not bring flirting into the work. Like, what you need to perform, what you need to deliver is eventually you need to deliver. You cannot just replace that delivery by flirting. So understand that flirting and work are different. So flirting can be people flirt because of sex also, because see, it is all about physical attraction also. Okay, so before you engage in sexual activity with a person, I think flirting is a nice way to know whether the person is actually thinking the same way or not. So maybe, like, I remember my friend would flirt with a bartender. He was offering the drinks, and she said, "I want this kind of drink and this." So she was like, "Okay, just like flirting is like, okay, your birthday is coming up. So what do you want me to get a cake of you? Should I make a cake for you, homemade cake, or would you want it to be?" So these kind of, like, that you normally don't ask people unless you are interested in them. So that's the flirting. Now let's talk about how people can actually get that confidence to flirt. So first thing is, like, you have to be confident about your own body. Okay, so you have to work slightly on your own body. Feel confident about your own body. Feel confident about your desirability. Feel confident about your skills. Okay. Okay, Samya, great. So first thing is, like, if I say that, yes, how I actually became confident flirting is like, I was first became confident about my own body. Doesn't mean that I actually worked on the measure scale or something, but yes, in terms of dressing up, in terms of hairstyle, in terms of light exercise, I'm trying to be fit. So that fitness is somewhere essential for flirting. Okay, so that's one thing. Then secondly is, it's also about the eye contact. Okay, so someone said to me that, Pallavi, you are like really looking into the person. So a lot of times eyes speak a lot. So please start using your eyes. Like, even now I'm looking at you, I can flirt. You can see my changing glances, like how I'm seeing, like, it's an intent looking, and it's not even staring. So looking intently is different than staring. So, like, staring is like this, and intent is like, you are smiling with your eyes, you're giving a smile from your eyes. So that's the one thing, is like how you can actually use your eyes. Second is, how you can actually use your body language. Okay, so body language is like, you can actually use this or use this. So I mean, for women, I'm actually telling, men can have a more kind of assertive body language. Okay, so maybe slightly like inclining, just inclining, like when you saying whisper, whispering in someone's ear. I think whispering is one of the main, most important flirting tools. I will say that whispering is like this. So you come closer to the person and you whisper something. Okay, yeah, yes. And the rest of the people, if you are in a party, then you are actually, no one is able to guess what you are saying to the other person, but it makes like, okay, they are talking something private. तो वो एक होता है कि whispering is one of the ways. Then what else? So non-verbal cues. Okay, so non-verbal cues, like I said, that a glance or a touch. Okay, so it's not just very much expressive, very much articulate is flirting. It is more about subtle. It's very subtle in nature. Okay, so it's a very casual touch. Okay, maybe like, okay, how are you feeling? Are you feeling good? it's like maybe some women they don't like it, but maybe you can just hold the hands. I feel your hands are very cold. That's it. And then just stop. Don't even do anything other than that. So maybe just when you already know the person is interested, okay. So ये तब बता रही हूँ जब you know, I mean you would know that you will not get rebuked if you hold the hands of the other person. So that is what is flirting, also about knowing that if the person will respond to the flirting or not. So lightly holding the hands, maybe just holding the tip of the finger. Oh, I liked your nail paint. Maybe if the woman is wearing a nail paint, I liked your nail paint. Maybe you don't even touch. Okay, what shade is this? So you say, what shade is this? So she will say, look, see, and you will just hold the finger and say, nice shade. That's the flirting. What is flirting. You don't need to okay, hold and kiss and ask for the kiss. That's okay, that's a sexual act. Flirting is like just holding the finger, looking at the shade and say, oh yeah, that's really nice. So ये flirting का एक तरीका होता है. Now there are some styles of flirting, okay. So the traditional style of flirting is men are expected to make the first move, right? So ये होता है कि women are traditionally less flirts, but I see a lot of women are taking up the lead. So men are expected to flirt first and request for future engagements, and women play a limited role. So what do you do in this case? It's like, okay, if a man has to flirt, okay, if a man has to take up the flirting, then he should know the person for some time. I mean, you might avoid flirting with a complete stranger. Okay, you may know the person for a long time before you even attempt the flirting. I mean, as a friend, as maybe a classmate, so at least you know that, okay, you will not be spurned. Secondly, proceed slowly. Do not just jump into one thing. Like I said, that you can start with eye contact, you can start with verbal cues, non-verbal cues, light smiles, before actually taking on the full-on flirt role. Physical style, there is a physical style where you can actually develop sexual chemistry. So it's about suggestive banter. Okay, suggestive banter का मतलब हो गया है कि this is more about sexual. I mean, flirting, when flirting is physical, flirting can be physical. So long I was talking about non-physical flirting. It was verbal cues, eye contacts, light touch. When flirting is sexual nature, people are more comfortable expressing their desire and sexual interest. So I will use the word sexual interest. So you will maybe you use flirting to express your sexual interest without even getting into the act. How do you express interest? तो interest कैसे express कर सकते हैं? By maybe just so if you are having a lunch and the woman is also having a lunch, you can just place your hands close to her hands, or maybe you can actually give a suggestive remark. Suggestive remark का मतलब होता है कि looking at you, I remember of that song. तो कौन सा song? You can just say any suggestive song. So ultimately you are putting the blame on the song also in case the things don't go well. So maybe any song could be like, you can just have the list of songs. So if I have to flirt with a man I am sexually interested in, so how would I do it? Being a woman, it's very easy. I will tell you, I mean, at least you don't get rebuked. Always say like, okay, I am not interested, but you never get rebuked. With men, it's like, I understand it's very difficult, they can get scolded. So maybe I'll say that, okay, I want to have a smoke with you, or I want to have a drink with you. So definitely you know that smoking and drinking is something that is more intimate. Okay, you don't smoke or you don't drink with anyone. And maybe if I smoke, I kind of make those smoke rings. I actually do it near the ear. So I will do this and smoke near the ear. So the smoke rings will go actually near the ear and not on the face, of course not on the face. So that is something is like I do it, or maybe I would like to take a stroll in a very lonely place. Lonely, like I know the person, okay, I'm comfortable, I want to get close, but then how do I do it? So I take a stroll on a lonely road. So that is something that, okay, you know that when two people are alone together and then sparks may fly if they are of opposite sex, and maybe same sex if the sexual inclination is like different. So these are some of the ways where to build the proximity without even telling outwardly. Like you can be the only two people on the road on a very dark night. That's so tantalizing. Okay, then okay, one more thing I would like to add here is that there should be an emotional connection also in the flirting. So this is called sincere style. Okay, sincere style. तो मैंने अभी तीन चीज़ें बताई. Traditional style where men would take the lead and women will be the recipient. Second style is physical style, when you are actually interested in giving a sexual interest in the person. Third style is called sincere style. Sincere style जो होता है वो basically it's about expressing emotional connection. Emotional connection is by personal disclosure. So you develop intimacy by having personal disclosure. That is also flirting, because the other person knows, oh God, he is so close to me. He's getting so close to me by revealing himself, by bringing out his vulnerable face or her vulnerable face. So you can actually get into self-disclosure where you talk about your fears. You talk about your failures. That's also flirting, because see, what does flirting do? Flirting is to create an interest, which is a romantic interest, which is an intimate interest, which can be a sexual interest. And how do you create an interest? By getting emotionally closer to the other person. So maybe self-disclosure is also an act of flirting. You think that, okay, are you spilling the secrets? Yes, of course. That is a part of flirting. So that's one style, is like, how you can actually flirt by building an emotional connection also. Then playfulness is like, okay, even doing some funny games together, like hide and seek. Maybe like maybe we think that we are too grown up to play games of childhood, but it is still much more valid. Like you just, like, what I do is, like, always I see that when the person I'm walking with, okay, he suddenly seems to just lose my presence. Like, he's not even aware that I'm present. Maybe he's like too much into his smartphone, or he's like stressed out and thinking something else. I just stop walking. So he walks away, and then he's like, okay, where is she? And then he turns back and he looks at me that I'm standing, and I'm saying, okay, see, you don't even know that I was not walking with you. So that's like, okay, it's playful. And it's also like, it does the right thing, that you are able to tell the person that he has not given attention to you, not by saying it, but just by making it visible that, okay, you don't even know that I'm not walking with you. So again, to create an interest if you see interest is going away. So Amit, now I have to smoke and practice smoke rings. Amit, so again, I am also not a smoker. I actually keep my smoking trips for flirting dates. So it's like once in 3 months, once in 4 months, and smoking is injurious to health. Again, that right is there. So definitely I don't advocate smoking, but it is just to give an example. Maybe you can just try with some dessert, right? So you are having a dessert and you're looking at them, like people actually look at their food, no, like this, and you are eating it and you're looking at them. I mean, that's the flirting. समझ में आ रहा है आपको कि जैसे आप खाना खाते हैं और आप खाना खाते हुए दूसरे को देख रहे हो, सामने वाले बंदे को देख रहे हो, बंदी को देख रहे हो. That is what is flirting. Don't make it apparent. Thumb rule is flirting is never apparent, never clear. Something is clear, it's not flirting. You have to flirt, and at the same time you make sure that you don't even know the other person that you're flirting. Okay, so that's about the flirting. Then okay, let me give you a few examples from the my own experience. See, flirting is sensual. Okay, flirting is sensual. So there have to be some sense involved, any sense or all of the senses involved. So looking is one of the sense. Like I said, whispering is one more sense where you're using your audible senses. Touching like this, I remember there was one man who just held my hand. He said, oh God, your hands are so cold. And my hands are indeed cold. But at that time, we were having a meal, and he was just like, he said, maybe it was flirting, maybe it was not, but I felt good. that yes, this is something, it's not about touching me, it's about knowing that my hands are cold. तो ये होता है. ओके, सो ये फ्लर्टिंग होता है कि यू एक्चुअली टुक इंटरेस्ट इन पर्सन एंड यू that is what is flirting. So it's very very tailor made, I will say. It's not okay standard. So ये चीज़ें जैसे on the spot he did is like he just held my hands and Pallavi, your hands are so cold. And sometimes people say that my fingers are like really sleek, they are very slender fingers, long fingers. So you can just appreciate the physical attributes. So I tell you one incident and then flirting is not always about it's always about someone you are interested in. You can flirt with everyone. Flirting is like, okay, I say I do flirt with drivers also. जो cab drivers होते हैं उनके साथ जाते हैं, and they're like, some of them are really cute, and I say, oh God, you're so young and you're driving, and it's amazing, you drive amazingly. So I remember there was this driver, I took the cab, and he was like driving like I felt कि MIG plane उड़ा रहे हैं वो, like it was like speeding up and taking over every damn car on the road. So I was like, oh God, you are making me fearful, that I am almost like you're jumping on my seat out of fear. So that was like adventure, that was thrill, and I was appreciating him. Somewhere it was like in between, like I was also telling him to be cautious, but at the same time I was enjoying the ride. So that is what is flirting. And you don't think, oh God, flirting with a driver. See, you understand that flirting is not, it has to be healthy. That is why it is called flirting. And there is no like, it's also about like making another person feel desirable. So if doesn't mean that you are liking someone means you have to sleep with them or you have to be intimate with them, you have to kiss them. No, you can leave it like that, and it's just about polishing your flirting skills. So again, for a woman, she has to be comfortable in her own body and in her own skin. She should not be feeling that, oh God, if a woman has to take flirt, like take the first step in flirting, men, of course, they should know the woman for some time, or at least know that even if they are meeting, it's very very clear that she is interested in the man. तो ये कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो flirting होता है. It creates a very very explosive chemistry between the mind and body. Okay, mind flirting is done both from the mind and from the body and from the senses, and the right move at the right time. No wrong moves at the wrong time, and you will get better with the experience. So maybe you try flirting, you see something worked, something didn't work, take a lesson and improve your flirting skills. Okay, so Amit, some of them are indeed, yes. I will say that's a kind of flirting. Some of them are like very very straightforward, totally infringing into the space, very infringing, like so there again, that is the difference, that is the fine difference between making someone uncomfortable and flirting with them. So always, like, you can always depend on the feedback of the person. You will know if they are taking the flirting or they are like, okay, try avoiding it, then please stop with immediate effect. So a lot of it is mutual feedback sharing. Okay, so thank you so much guys for your time today. The art of flirting, summarizing our discussion, I will say it is tailor-made, it's different for each of the person. Some thumb rules to be followed, no infringing into the personal space of a person, two-way feedback sharing, knowing if they are liking it, not liking it. Men, of course, to be safer, they should know a woman for a long time, or they actually see that she is directly interested in them. Women have to be comfortable in their own skin, in their own body. Then flirting is about senses. Use your senses, use your eye contact, use your body language, use whispers. Okay, so thank you so much guys, thank you for your time today, and we will again meet tonight at 9 p.m. for a new topic. Okay, till then, bye bye.